In the heart of Lekki, Lagos, where nightlights never sleep and money speaks louder than love, there was a woman everyone noticed before she even said a word. Her name was Nina Adegoke, 29, fine like trouble wrapped in silk. She didn't believe in love, not because she was heartless, but because Lagos had taught her early that love doesn't pay rent. Money does. And Nina loved money the way some people love oxygen.
Lagos men, I didn't come to play. Love is a joke. Love doesn't pay bills. Money does.
How to create AI narrative movies from the scratch to the finish. I'm getting complaints from most of you saying that you don't know how to generate AI movies, especially when it comes to the narrative form. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do that in simple steps. Meet me for the first time. Hi, I'm your little big sister, and all I do on this channel is to teach you everything you need to know about AI content creation, YouTube automation, and ways you can earn using AI. So go ahead to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss out whenever a new video is being dropped. So guys, without further ado, as you all know, let's go to class. Class is in session. So guys, as you all know, the first step is to generate our story. Yes, there can be no movie, there can be no video whatsoever without a story. So to generate our story, we are going to make use of Chat GPT. Feel free to use Claude AI or Google Gemini or any other app that you are conversant with that you feel is better for you, right? Feel free to use the app. But I love using ChatGPT to generate my story. I am so attached to it. So we're going to use that. So for the story, I told ChatGPT, I gave it my idea, right? I first gave it my idea. I want a story of a 29-year-old Nigerian lady who does not believe that you should actually work, but you can sit and earn without working. Do you understand? She believes that you can actually make men your money making machine. And she believes in soft life. Do you understand? So this particular story is a very, very interesting one. So I gave it to Chat GPT to refine the story for me. Yeah. So Chat GPT gave me the story in a refined form. Yeah, so it gave me the act, it gave me the act one, act two, act three to the last act. Do you understand? Yeah. So after that, I asked ChatGPT to generate the dialogue scene for me. By dialogue, I mean things I want my characters to say. Do you understand? So I also asked it to generate image prompts. By image prompts, I mean that it should generate the prompts that I can use to generate my images. I don't know if I'm communicating, but I know that you understand, right? So image prompt, like I said earlier on, is the prompt or are the prompts that you can use to generate your images. So please take note that before you generate your images, you must have an image prompt. So with that settled, ChatGPT gave me my image prompt. I also told it to generate scenes for me. Scenes, yes, because I want the environment or the location to be in a modern location, right? I want it to be based in Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. So ChatGPT did justice to that. It gave me the scenes and everything I asked it to do. So let's just go through it. Yeah, as you can see, scene one was when she arrived to Lagos, Nigeria. And it also gave me the dialogue, it also gave me the image prompt. Scene two, the same thing. It gave me the scene, it gave me the dialogue, it gave me the image prompt. Scene three, the same thing. So ChatGPT is a very, very good tool if you know how to use it, if you know how to prompt it. Everything lies on you. The more reason you need to learn how to prompt properly. And when I say properly, properly. So guys, the next step is to generate our images. Yes, having gotten our image prompt, our dialogue, our scenes, the next step is to generate our images. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to make use of two good apps to show you how to generate your images. And when I say images, realistic images. So I'm going to use ChatGPT and I'm also going to use Flow AI to show you how you can generate your images in minutes. So to generate the first image, I'll have to copy this image prompt. The first image prompt ChatGPT gave me, I'll copy it, then I'll head over to this place, then I will now click on it and I will now say generate a stunning then please the aspect ratio should be 16:9. Remember that this is a YouTube video, it should be 16:9. Please take note. So I'll simply tell ChatGPT, make it 16 by 9, right? Then I'll now click on this arrow and let's see what ChatGPT would give us. So, and I want my character to be in 3D animation style. By 3D animation style, I mean in a cartoon form. Do you understand? If you want your characters to be like humans, you tell ChatGPT to make it realistic. But if you want it to be in a cartoon form, you tell ChatGPT to make it to be in 3D animation style. Please take note. So guys, our image is ready and wow, this girl is giving the vibes, the city girl vibes. Yes, she's very, very pretty, just the way I want. So to download it, I'll just have to click on this download button and I'll have it downloaded into my device. So I'll go ahead to generate the second image using the second image prompt ChatGPT gave me. So guys, to generate the second image, I am going to be making use of Flow AI. So this is the second image prompt. I'm just going to copy this particular image prompt. Then I'll head over to my Flow AI. I'll head over to my Chrome browser. Then I'll type in Flow AI. And when I type in Flow AI, it will bring me to this interface. I'll now click on this first one that I'm seeing here and allow it load. If you're making use of Flow AI for the first time, you will need to sign in with your Google account or your email account. So I'll just sign in with one of my accounts and allow it to load up. And once it loads up, it will bring me to this interface. I'll click on next, click on continue, and this is the interface. I'll now click on new project and it will open up. And once it opens up, you will see this particular interface. Then I will now have to click on this video and click on image. Remember that what you want to generate is what? An image, not a video. And you make sure that it is at 16:9. It is for YouTube, remember. Then I'll now paste in this prompt I copied from Chat GPT. And once I paste it, I will now click on this arrow and allow it to generate my image for me. Normally, it doesn't take time, so let's exercise a little patience. So guys, can you see our lady? Yes, she's looking so beautiful. Then I'll just have to long press and I'll click on download and it will be downloaded into my device. I'll also head over to Chat GPT, copy the next image prompt, which is the third one here. Then I'll now generate it. I also generate it using Flow AI. So I'll just copy it and click on copy, head over to Flow AI, because this is our base image, right? I'll click on add to prompt and allow it come down to this place. Then I'll now paste in this prompt and click on this arrow and allow it to generate our third image for us. So as you can see, our third image is ready and you see the face consistency. That is one thing you need to learn and that is one thing I teach my students. Face consistency is everything. Then I'll just have to long press and click on download, and we now have to generate one more image and we'll be done with our image generation. I'll still go back, copy this fourth one and copy it to this place, then head over to Flow AI and click on this place. This is our base image. I'll click on add to prompt. I'll now paste in my prompt and click on this arrow and allow it to generate our fourth and last image. This is for tutorial purposes. If not, I would have generated more, but I don't want this particular video to be long, right? So let's wait for it to generate. So here is our fourth image. the same thing, I will long press and click on download, and I will now download my image. So having gotten our images, the next step is to make them talk. I'm not going to make all of them to talk. I'll just show you how you can make them talk. You understand? So we have our dialogue prompt in our chat GPT already. Remember, at the beginning of this particular tutorial, I told you that we have our dialogue, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the dialogue, copy it, and head over to Flow AI so I can animate our images. So guys, this is one of the dialogues, right? This is one of the dialogue scenes. So I'll just copy this particular one. Don't copy too much, because if you copy too much, it may not generate your video the way you want it. Do you understand? So I'll just copy from here to here. Then I also head over to Flow AI, and we are going to make use of this particular image when she is with this particular man. So to animate our image, I'm going to click on this place they wrote nano banana. Then I'll now switch from image to video. You see what I did? Then to generate one particular video is going to cost me 20 credits. So I'm going to click on it, and I'll now have to click on this particular image and click on animate. When I click on animate, it will come down to this place. Then I'll now paste in that dialogue I copied from chat GPT. And remember, we have to prompt it well so that it will come out well. The lady says, do you understand? Because this Flow AI or this AI does not know who is Nina. It does not know who is Tobias. So you have to be specific. Instead of Tobias, you say the man says. So our video is ready. Let me play it.
You don't look like someone who belongs in a place like this.
Places don't define me.
Everyone here is trying to impress someone.
Maybe that's the problem.
So
You don't look like someone.
see that? Can you see that? This is how to animate your video. So to save it, I'll just have to long press and click on download, and it will be downloaded into my device. In case you want to animate more, you can go ahead to animate, but I don't want this tutorial to be long, like I said. So this is it. So guys, having gotten our images, the next step is to generate our voiceover. In case you want to add voiceover into your movie, you can generate it using Google AI Studio. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to Chat GPT, copy the script it gave me, and generate it using Google AI Studio. Do you understand? So let me take you through the process. So to generate our voiceover, I'll have to copy this particular place, copy it to this last place, right? Then I'll have to click on copy. I'll head over to my Chrome browser, and yeah, and then I'll now click on Google AI Studio. This is what I'll type, Google AI Studio. And when I type Google AI Studio, it will bring me to this particular place. I'll now click on Generate Speech. And when I click on Generate Speech, it will bring me to this interface. I'll click on the Add Voiceover. And when I click on the Add Voiceover, I'll see this particular background. And what I'll do, the first thing to do is to choose my voice. I love using Charon. I love using his voice. If you've been following my tutorial for a while now, you will notice that I love using his voice. So I'll just have to delete this particular prompt that is here, right? The one that is here. Then I'll now have to paste in my prompt, the one I copied from Chat GPT, and allow it to generate my voice over. So this is it. Then I'll now change the setting. I want this particular script to be read in a very, very, you know, good tone. I'll just say read aloud in a warm and let's say emotional tone, right? After that, I'll now click on run CTRL here. Then I'll allow you to generate my voiceover for me. So I'll play it for you guys once the voiceover is ready. So guys, our voiceover is ready. Let me play it for you.
In the heart of Lekki, Lagos, where nightlights never sleep and money speaks louder than love, there was a woman everyone noticed before she even said a word. Her name was Nina Adegoke.
All right, guys. So can you see that this voice sounds realistic, right? So to save it, you have to click on this download button, and we click on download, and voila, our video, our voiceover has been generated and downloaded. So this is how you can do it. So guys, having gotten our videos, our voiceover, everything, the next step is to edit everything together, and I'm going to be making use of CapCut to show you how you can edit your video, right? I'll just click on CapCut, then I'll now import my images, my voiceover and everything, and I'll clip them together and give you the results. So I've imported my images, my video, my voiceover. I'll just have to add text, add animations and things that will make my video to stand out. Then I'll play the final result for you guys. So just wait. So guys, our video is ready. Let me play it.
In the heart of Lekki, Lagos, where nightlights never sleep and money speaks louder than love, there was a woman everyone noticed before she even said a word. Her name was Nina Adegoke, 29, fine like trouble wrapped in silk. She didn't believe in love, not because she was heartless, but because Lagos had taught her early that love doesn't pay rent. Money does. And Nina loved money the way some people love oxygen.
Lagos men, I didn't come to play. Love is a joke. Love doesn't pay bills. Money does. You don't look like someone who belongs in.
All right, so guys, we are going to stop here for the meantime. I don't want this tutorial to be so long, right? So this is how you can do it. This is how you can generate your videos, especially in the narrative style and also in the dialogue style. So if you have watched up to this extent, do well to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you do not miss out whenever a new video is being dropped. Also, the registration for the AI and business class is still ongoing. Yes, this is a 5-day training and it will run from the 25th of June to the 30th of June 2026. This class is going to be value packed, and if you really want to learn how to create your own AI influencers and how to monetize your AI knowledge, you shouldn't miss this class. If you're interested in this particular class, click on the link in my description box so you can register and join us today. Also, I'm available for coaching and one-on-one collaboration. Do well to reach out to me through the email showing in my description box. And until I come your way next time, stay safe and bye bye.